Affiliate marketing is one of the hottest ways to make money online, but it can also be super confusing for beginners. After all, there's so many different tools, networks, and strategies out there that you can use. But as someone who has earned over $1 million from affiliate marketing over the years, I've definitely learned a thing or two about this space. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 of the most valuable affiliate marketing tools and networks you should be using. Now, this includes some incredibly powerful AI workflows and tools that can help you pump out affiliate content that actually converts. And I'm also covering one single platform where I've generated over $550,000 in affiliate revenue alone. There's tons of secret sauce in this one. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So to kick things off, guys, the first affiliate marketing tool I want to highlight in this video is SEMrush. Now, SEMrush is actually a tool I've been using since 2018, 2019. And let me tell you, this is probably the affiliate marketing tool I've made the most money with and have gotten the most value from. And so SEMrush is basically an all-in-one marketing toolkit that helps marketers increase their traffic, get more visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic and revenue. And really, SEMrush is the main tool I've used to scale my numerous content businesses to over $1 million of revenue before selling them. And so when their team reached out to sponsor today's video, I definitely felt comfortable doing that because I've been using them for years at this point. Now, there are a ton of features packed into SEMrush, but I'm going to highlight some of the most valuable ones for making money with affiliate marketing. And straight up, one of my favorite ones is still SEMrush's Keyword Magic tool, which is great for finding low competition keywords in your affiliate niche that you want to create content about. And so this tool is super useful because you can basically research different topics people are actually searching for, see how competitive different keywords are, and even find competitors in that niche that are ranking on Google for the kind of content you want to rank for. Now, I have honestly used this kind of data to drive millions of visitors to my content websites over the years, which has translated into over $1 million in revenue. And let me show you a real world example here with, again, data I found using SEMrush. So you can see here that I published a review about a company called Survey World, which is a popular paid survey platform. Now, I actually found these keywords about Survey World through SEMrush, and its Keyword Magic tool showed me the terms like, is Survey World legit? That gets thousands of monthly searches and is pretty low competition. So sure enough, I created a comprehensive blog post about this topic. Now, this single blog post in particular has ranked for years. It's gotten tens of thousands of visitors to my websites. It's converted into email subscribers. It's converted into affiliate revenue as well. It has been such a powerhouse of a post, and I found all of the data just by using SEMrush. Now, SEMrush also has tons of other nice features that can also help you with your affiliate marketing efforts. For example, it has a new AI visibility toolkit where you can basically put your website in and then see a breakdown of your brand's visibility, different gaps, and areas you can start working on improving. You can also research popular AI prompts to discover trending topics before other people cover them. And you can also see what questions people ask AI, analyze the demand and difficulty, and basically find more ways to boost your brand's visibility in AI-powered conversations. Now, AI and LLM responses are honestly the future of affiliate marketing. And as we lose more share in the organic traffic side of things and organic SERPs, we're going to want our brands and our websites to appear in these AI conversations that people are having every day. This is one of the main ways I'm starting to use SEMrush for my affiliate content businesses these days. And again, this is how you can stay ahead of the competition. Now, these are just a few of the main features, but again, SEMrush is packed with so many other tools, and there's lots of other ones I want to highlight really quickly that you should be using as an affiliate marketer. For example, with SEMrush, you can spy on your competition to see what keywords they rank for or even what kind of paid ads they're currently running. You can also create SEO-friendly content briefs and entire articles to promote different affiliate offers. And of course, like I mentioned, you can research trending topics that are right for affiliate revenue. Honestly, I don't think there's any single tool out there I've used more consistently for the last 6+ years. So again, if you're doing any kind of marketing or affiliate marketing in general, I definitely recommend trying out SEMrush. SEMrush also has a nice 7-day free trial, so you can sign up and you can give it a try to see what it can do for your business. Afterwards, it starts at $199 per month for its starter plan, which again, I've paid for years because the value you get from the data can easily cover this cost when you apply it correctly, especially as an affiliate marketer. But yeah, I'll be linking SEMrush down below if you guys want to try them out and also help support the channel. All right, guys, now the second affiliate marketing tool I wanted to cover is a platform called i10x. And this is actually an AI workspace that I've covered recently on the channel that frankly is kind of blowing my mind. And that's because i10x is basically like taking ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, all of these different AI models and tools and cramming them into one platform that actually works. And so with i10x, you can do a lot of useful things like deep research, generate eye-catching images and video, and just ask its AI chatbot different questions. This is pretty stock standard for these kinds of AI workspaces, but one tool for affiliate marketers in particular that is awesome is i10x's SEO content capabilities. And so basically you can use i10x to create blog posts, review articles, versus posts, any kind of listicle or affiliate piece of content you want. And honestly, it puts out some pretty stellar content. All you need to do is enter your website, choose the topic and keywords you're actually targeting, and then select the tone of voice and how long your content should be. From there, i10x will create a completely ready to post piece of content. For example, if I tell i10x, hey, make me a misplay review because I'm an affiliate for misplay and I want to drive traffic through this kind of content, it honestly will scrape the web, do a lot of deep research, and put out a very, very good misplay review that's basically ready to post and monetize. If you do any kind of content marketing and blog posts are part of your business, I definitely recommend checking out i10x because this is going to save you so much time and it is way cheaper and better than using a bunch of different AI tools that don't even do as good of a job. After all, i10x starts at just $8 per month, and I even have a discount code for you guys, so I'll be linking them down below as well if you want to check out i10x and level up your content game. But okay guys, the third affiliate tool I wanted to cover in this video is actually an affiliate network. It's one I've been using for years and think everyone should be on, and it's called Impact Radius. And really, Impact Radius is my favorite affiliate network, and I actually have 2 accounts on there, and this is the platform I have scaled to over $550,000 in lifetime affiliate earnings. I'll show you guys my 2 accounts here just for some payment proof so you can actually verify what I'm saying. One of them is a newer account which has about $65,000 in total lifetime earnings, and the other is my older Impact account which has over $500,000 in lifetime earnings. And this is where I've sent hundreds of thousands of clicks and converted thousands of people on different offers. And really what I love about Impact is that it's so easy to use, and it really streamlines the whole process of finding brands and offers you want to work with and then actually publishing them into your content and getting paid. Once you sign up as a publisher or affiliate marketer, it's also so easy to start finding brands you want to work with. Impact has thousands of brands in basically every niche, and you can easily see the offer terms, how much you get paid, and all of the details for each brand you want to work with. Once you get approved by a brand, you also get a unique tracking link that you use to promote them in your content. Impact handles all of the click tracking, reporting, and payouts, so it's super streamlined and simple. But again, I'll scroll through the brand database here. You can find so many popular brands out there, including some Fortune 500 companies or just household names or massive brands that will be super easy to convert as an affiliate marketer. There's also some pretty massive budgets and decent brands on this platform, and I'll show you one of my top earning offers of all time. For example, I started promoting a company called Branded Surveys through Impact a couple of years ago. And you can see that for this offer alone, I sent over 84,000 clicks and generated $170,000 in revenue. This is all from a single partner I found on Impact Radius, which is honestly life-changing money and kind of blows my mind. And this is just one example of why Impact Radius is definitely my favorite affiliate marketing network, but stay tuned because I'll also be sharing some more niche and interesting ones later in this video you want to take advantage of as well. But okay guys, the fourth affiliate marketing tool I think you guys should be using is a vibe coding tool called Lovable. And Lovable is basically the most popular vibe coding solution that basically lets you create entire websites and even mobile apps just by entering text prompts like you're using ChatGPT. And really for affiliate marketers, I think something like Lovable has so much potential because it lets you package the information you're selling to people or the offer presentation you're putting in front of your customers in a different way. And let me show you guys a personal example here. So I decided I was going to vibe code a side hustle database one weekend so I could help my audience find the right side hustle for them. And this was also going to be a new channel for me to plug some of my affiliate offers. In a weekend of work and a lot of coffee, this is how I ended up making Hustle Buddy, my brand new side hustle database that you guys can also check out as well. Now what's super cool is that Hustle Buddy only took me a weekend to make, and this is basically a side hustle database where if people sign up for certain side hustles I have listed, I'll get paid as an affiliate and earn a commission for that sign up. And again, I'm already promoting a lot of these affiliate marketing offers in my YouTube videos, in my email newsletters, or on my blogs, but using Lovable helped me build a new presentation, a new package to put this information in front of my audience, and it's something new and fresh, and it's converting pretty well. But yeah, Hustle Buddy is already generating revenue, and this is what is so cool about vibe coding. I basically launched it, monetized it with some affiliate links, and then shared it on Reddit a couple of times and with my new school community. I now market Hustle Buddy in my YouTube videos or on Reddit as well, driving even more traffic, which results in more affiliate conversions. Now, Hustle Buddy isn't printing a ton of cash yet, but again, this was a basic idea I had. I used Lovable to vibe code it one weekend, and now I have a new monetized asset and funnel under my belt. And so if you're an affiliate marketer, I encourage you to do the same thing. Brainstorm a unique and viral way to package your offers and info that's exciting for your audience. You might find that you have the right offers as an affiliate, you just need to refresh the creative and packaging into something new. This was also a ton of fun, and I think there's so much opportunity to get creative here, so I'll be linking Lovable down below as well if you want to start your vibe coding journey. Okay guys, and coming in at number 5 on the best list of affiliate marketing tools, it's another network, and that network is called PartnerStack. And PartnerStack is another affiliate network I've started using over the last couple of years, and it's honestly one of the best places to go if you want to find B2B offers, SaaS offers, and now AI offers as well. And PartnerStack is really similar to Impact. You can basically sign up as a publisher or marketer, create your profile, and then look for brands you want to promote. And what I like about PartnerStack is that it has so many massive and awesome companies, including ones like Printify and Gelato, Emergent, 11 Labs, ConvertKit, Monday.com, QuickBooks, and tons of other ones. Like, I'll hop into my account here, I'll scroll through the brand pages, and you can see there are so many massive companies out here, especially in SaaS or AI, that you can partner with. And what I like about PartnerStack in particular and these different niches is that a lot of these affiliate offers actually pay affiliates with recurring lifetime commissions. You heard that right. You can get people to convert on these affiliate offers, and then you will earn a percentage of their monthly spend forever as long as they're a customer, which is pretty rare to find these days. And this can honestly scale into some really nice recurring revenue, and I actually have a few friends who basically make a full-time income just from a couple of these recurring lifetime affiliate deals. Now personally, I've made about $11,500 with PartnerStack so far. I'll put up my dashboard here so you guys see my commissions and you have some payment proof. And honestly, this has been a pretty nice addition to my affiliate income because I mentioned a lot of these companies in passing, or they're ones I use to power my own businesses, and now I can plug them as an affiliate and earn some of that recurring revenue, which I think is awesome. So yeah, long story short, if you're looking for B2B offers, SaaS offers, or AI offers, you definitely should check out PartnerStack. All right guys, and coming in at number 6 on this list of the best affiliate marketing tools is a platform called ConvertKit. Well, now it's called Kit, but it used to be called ConvertKit. And really, when it comes to affiliate marketing, owning your audience is key, because when you own your audience, you're not at the mercy of algorithm changes or platform changes or getting shadow banned, and you're actually building a pipeline to your audience that is yours to control. And so for me personally, one of the main ways I do this is by building my email list, and I use Kit to power all of this. So right now, Kit is where I house my main email list, and this is basically where I send my email newsletters to about 22,000 people every single week. Now within these emails that I'll send out, I'll put affiliate links directly, or I'll send people to my different content websites or even my YouTube videos, where again, they can convert on different affiliate offers, which generates me revenue every single week. But what I also like about Kit is that you can build some incredibly powerful automations that puts the right affiliate offer in front of the right person at the right time. For example, with Kit, I have new email welcome series that sends people my best content automatically based on the country they're subscribing from. This single automation took a few hours to build and fine-tune, but it now generates affiliate revenue every single day because I'm sending the right offers to the right people once they engage with my content and subscribe. Honestly, if you do any affiliate marketing, you need to use a platform like Kit, and you need to be leveraging email marketing because it is one of the lowest cost forms of marketing with the highest ROI. Plus, Kit also has some other exciting features coming to the platform I want to highlight really quickly. For example, recently it rolled out its ads feature in beta, and I'm testing this now, and I'm basically getting paid to promote different sponsored offers in my emails, which is another new revenue stream. Kit also integrates with an AI-powered tool called Sparkloop, which actually pays you to recommend newsletters to your audience. So when people subscribe to my newsletter, Sparkloop also pops up with a message inviting them to subscribe to other relevant newsletters. So basically with Kit, my email newsletter is now making money in a variety of ways. Some of this is through direct affiliate marketing. I have my automations running, and I'm now even getting paid just to send people to different ads or to send people to different newsletters, which is honestly awesome. I really do think Kit is one of the best options out there for content creators and affiliate marketers, and email marketing can be a game changer for your affiliate marketing revenue. So I'll be linking Kit down below as well if you want to try them out with a free trial and see what it can do for your affiliate marketing revenue. Okay guys, and the 7th affiliate marketing tool I wanted to cover is called Genius Link. And I'm covering Genius Link because oftentimes affiliates can run into issues with proper link tracking and getting paid and credited for the sales they're generating, and this can actually result in losing a ton of revenue as an affiliate marketer. This is something that's happened to me over the years, and when you don't notice that your links aren't working or you're not being credited properly, the losses can honestly stack up really fast. And this is really where a tool like Genius Link comes in handy. With Genius Link, you can basically redirect links, especially Amazon affiliate links, to the right country so your sales still count. You can also deep link to specific offers or products from your affiliate partners, and you can brand affiliate links with your own domain name to look more professional. On top of that, Genius Link lets you house and manage all of your affiliate networks from one central dashboard. So if you're using multiple platforms like Impact and PartnerStack and other affiliate networks out there, it can simplify the management because you control everything and monitor everything from one central location. Now, frankly, I don't think Genius Link is something a brand new affiliate marketer should use because you probably don't need it and you can probably handle things yourself. But the moment you start scaling clicks and you start scaling offers across different networks, I would definitely recommend signing up for Genius Link. After all, it starts at only $6 a month and it scales based on clicks, so it's very affordable. And if it catches one broken link for you on a decent offer you're running, it will easily pay for itself. Okay guys, the 8th and final affiliate marketing tool I wanted to cover, it's one more network I wanted to share, and it's called CJ, or Commission Junction. Now, CJ has honestly been around for ages. I think it might be the biggest affiliate marketing network, or at least one of the biggest. And again, it is just packed with offers you can find, and it's amazing for beginner and experienced affiliate marketers alike. Now, I've also been using CJ for years. I honestly don't like it as much as Impact. I think the UI is pretty bad. I think it's a bit clunky, but again, it just has so many different brands for you guys to work with. Certain niches are also quite robust. Like, I really like using CJ for finding finance offers, travel offers, electronic brands, and software brands as well. It's super easy to sign up for, and again, it's similar to Impact. You basically apply to brands you want to work with, you get approved, you get your custom tracking link and all of the assets you want to use, and then you can start promoting them and getting paid. Personally, I still recommend starting with Impact first, but if you're looking for more networks, especially tried and true networks that have a history of paying out affiliates on time and they're not going bankrupt anytime soon, I would definitely check out CJ as well. But anyways, guys, that does it for 8 different platforms and tools you can use to potentially make more money as an affiliate marketer. Now, what I will say as someone who's earned over $1 million as an affiliate marketer, there are no results that are guaranteed. I can't promise you anything here. And really, affiliate marketing is often a long game that takes a lot of time and practice and patience to scale. Sure, there are people who find amazing offers and get really creative and they make a ton of money overnight, but most of the affiliate marketers I know have stuck with it for years. They've grinded it out, they've learned the process, and they've grown really robust, cool affiliate marketing businesses over time. I think when you're armed with the right tools and the right networks and you stay consistent, there's really no reason why you can't make some decent money as an affiliate marketer while also learning really cool skills and having fun at the same time. Hopefully this list helps you get started as well. And if there's an affiliate marketing tool or network or strategy out there you think other people should check out as well, I'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.